How to change your WhatsApp profile picture. In today's video, I'll show you how to update your profile picture on WhatsApp. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded WhatsApp on a device. If not, for iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and for Android user, you can download it from Google Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open WhatsApp. Now make sure to log into your account. After you log into your account, go to the settings option on the bottom right corner. Now you can see your profile name on the top. Simply click on it. Now click on this edit photo option. Here you have different options. Either you can take photo right away or choose a photo from your gallery, or you can also use avatar as a profile picture, and you can remove your current profile picture. To update your profile picture, simply click on choose photo or take photo option. Then from your gallery, choose the required photo. After that, click OK. And that's it. This is how you change your profile picture on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.